scapula. ऐसा डिस्टर्ब होना चाहिए.
This nigga was popping parts of your body I didn't even know could crack. More times than I thought was good for you. He was popping bones in places that didn't have a skeleton. This nigga was cracking earlobes and cheekbones like other people do that. Everyone's body is different, but I didn't know that you can crack your neck 5 times in the same direction and not be dead. He cracked parts of their body that don't bend. The casualness of cracking 3 different parts of their arm was easier than a rough handshake. He cracked her nose as if people knew that was possible. Is this what we need? Is this why I have to crack my back after sitting or standing in the same place for too long? The way he cracked her forearm was way easier than the way I cracked my knuckles.